In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew Hostinger hosting. If your hosting plan is about to expire, renewing it on time is important, so your website stays online without interruption. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, and you can complete it in just a few moments once you're inside your account. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct account that manages the hosting plan you want to renew. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look around the main dashboard so you can easily find the account controls. Next, click on your profile. This is usually located in the top area of the screen, and it gives you access to account-related settings and options. If you're new to the platform, don't worry if the layout looks slightly different from what you expected. Just look for the profile area associated with your account and then open it. After that, click on Billing. This section is where Hostinger places payment details, invoices, subscription information, and renewal options for your services. If you're managing more than one product, such as domains, email, or multiple hosting plans, be sure you're looking at the correct hosting service before continuing. Once you're in the billing section, this is where you should see the option to renew your hosting. Simply click the Renew button or Renewal option shown for your plan. Hostinger will then guide you through the next part of the process on screen. From there, just follow the prompts carefully. You may be asked to confirm the hosting plan, choose the renewal period, and complete the payment process. Take your time to review everything before you confirm, especially the billing term and total amount, so there are no surprises. If you want a smoother experience, it's also a good idea to check whether automatic renewal is enabled or disabled, depending on your preference. That way you can manage future renewals in the way that works best for you. Also, once the payment is completed, keep an eye out for a confirmation message or receipt so you know your hosting has been successfully renewed. And that's it. As long as you open your Hostinger account, go to your profile, click Billing, and select the renewal option, you can quickly renew your hosting by following the instructions on your screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you complete your renewal with confidence.